Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove GMC Terrain tail lights. First, ensure your vehicle's tailgate is open, providing clear access to the tail light assemblies. You'll need a few basic tools for this task. Grab a flat blade screwdriver, along with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. For some newer GMC Terrain models, you might find that a Torx 15 screwdriver is needed instead of the socket. Having these ready will make the process smooth. Now let's get to those fasteners. On the side of the tail light assembly, you'll notice two small plastic covers. Use your flat blade screwdriver to gently pry these off, revealing the bolts underneath. Once the covers are removed, use your 10mm socket and ratchet or a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the two bolts. These bolts secure the tail light, so make sure to keep them in a safe spot. With the bolts removed, the tail light assembly is now ready to be detached. Gently pull the entire assembly straight back, directly away from the vehicle. It's crucial to pull it straight, as there are two alignment pins on the back that can break if you pull it sideways. Once the assembly is loose, locate the electrical wiring harness, press its tab, and disconnect it completely. This frees the tail light. To access the bulbs, simply twist each socket counterclockwise and pull it out. You can then replace any burned-out bulbs. When you're ready to reinstall, reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks securely. Align the two pins on the back of the tail light assembly with their corresponding holes and push the assembly firmly back into place until it's flush. Then, replace the two bolts and snap the plastic covers back on. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.